Hi, this is Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. Welcome to our YouTube channels.
This is Finaloop dashboard. This is home tab here, and these are the left navigation tabs for scroll down. The first one is home, transactions, report transactions, reports, inventory, vendors, customers, loans, and more. What are the mores? These are some mores functions here. So these are my missions when you want to initially set up your account with the Finaloop. So if there are any missing items which need to be uploaded, so it show here. This show for your initial setup. Confirmation balance sheet need to be set up and update your Amazon FBM restock. So this is a main setting, and need helps and logout. So this is a very simple dashboard of this softwares. First of all, I would like to discuss the settings. You need to give the information about the settings. What are your business name, entity, and that's all. And second one is the integration. You need to integrate your account like a Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay. These are the possible e-commerce store which you may connect, integrate with in this Finaloop apps. So, and these are the payments gateway you may connect with the Finaloop accounting softwares: PayPal, Stripe, Amazon Pay, Square, OfferPay, AuthorizeNet, and others, Seasel. So these are the integration payment with gateways. These are connected, Amazon and the Shopify. So you may integrate the others as well. You may select this one and give the information and integrate with them. Okay, the other tab is the bank and the credit card. You may contact your credit card here, and the Bank of America and the other banks, and you may also contact your credit cards as well, Chase and other softwares credit cards. And the other one is the billing option. Only admin can. I do not have an access of this one. So this is a basic setting. You may need to give the information before starting any information. So let's move to the home tab. In the home tab, you will see the different charts for your business. This is your business name and sale and profit over time. And you may just change the time period. This is for the week, and you may just go for the month. If you want to see on the month basis, so you may contact here. So it's showing your all monthly basis sales and profit over the year. This is sort of the cash flow, and these are the different sales channels. Shopify, this is information for all Shopify sales Facebook, shipping income, those all the income which you have set up in the chart of accounts. Just showing here refunds and the funds of third term, and the other one is showing the Amazon, their sales, and the other things. Okay, so these are the banks and their closing balance, credit cards, and the apps. So this is the basic dashboard which show you the reports, and that's all. And the second tab is the profitability. Here you will see the charts for the profits, and this is net sales, contribution margin, and cost analysis, and the cost analysis of the net sales, and the looking for a chart you do not see. So these are profitability charts. You may just change their period. This is this week, month to end, and last quarter, and year to date, and the last 12 months. So it will show the charts accordingly. You may also customize the dates. You may change the dates here. The show by month, it will show by quarter. These charts are showing on the quarter basis, and you may also for the on year basis. Okay, so you may also select the time zone, and that because it is real-time integration, so this is also showing the data as per your time zone. So this is a dashboard and the home tab. You may also move to the transactions. So these are the first tab is all account. It's showing the transactions of your all checking accounts, saving accounts, and the credit card accounts. So it's showing all data here. The next one is the Bank of America. These are checking accounts. This is a credit card account and a checking account, and so all these channels are connected here, and their closing balance, real-time closing balance are showing here, and these are their closing balances, and all these are showing here: PayPal, Bank of America, and the credit card, and other things. So these are the so all of the transactions, it will show the transaction from all account here. There is a filter here. You may just filter for as per your requirement. You may just search here like a Google. It will show the only transaction from the Googles. So you may also put other filter for your choice. So I just take here waiting for input only. Waiting for input only means those transactions which need to be categorized, which need your input. So if I select it there, if there is any transaction uncategorized, it will be shown here, but now everything is categorized, so no transaction is being shown here. Okay, I shall unselect this one and it will show the all transaction. There is an option for you may also categorize here all this transaction, or you may go for the relevant your banks and categorize your transactions here. So it's browsing for the all the transactions and it's showing their all transaction here. Like you may categorize them. For example, this one is, these are all transactions, these are the date and the vendor's name, and these are the categorization which we have selected, and these are the amounts. If these are spending, so it will show in a red circle. If these are incoming or the deposits, then it will show in our deposits. So in case of deposit, the color of this circle will be the green. So here are all expenses. Yeah, this one is your receipts or deposits, so it's showing the arrow is down and the circle is green. So you may also export all these transactions in an Excel format. So I am putting this one and it will all export out the transaction and send me via emails. So these are the transaction, and you may just change your categorization here. For example, this is in 9.4. So I have exported the transaction, so it's showing where you want to save your transactions. So I will just give him a place here, and now it will save all the transactions here. So these are the transactions which already have been categorized here, and you may also change them to their categorization. For example, here it has been categorized as a meal. I can change its categorization, like I can just change entertainment. So it would be here the entertainment, I will select here, and it would be love. Now its the categorization has been changed. I just say apply once, so it will apply once for this one. So in this way you can categorize them. There is a one limitation that you may just categorize the all transactions and select the only head of accounts which are given here. If these are not given here, you cannot add any chart of account or any head as per your requirements. So this is limitations, and these are the some few hundred chart of accounts given here. If these are matching your requirements, so it's good, but if these are not matching, so it's very problematic for you. So this should be keep in your mind. Okay, and in this way you will categorize all these transactions, and you may also select from these transactions here one by one, or you may just select all these transactions from here. Okay, now all the transactions have been selected here. So this function is available as well as in QuickBooks and the Zero as well. So this was the bank interface, banking transaction interface here. So yeah, I just want to show that you cannot, if there is a transfer between the account, you cannot create any transfer, or you cannot create any deposit, expense, bills, or journal entries. Like these kind of things cannot be done here, because these are very limitation for the Finaloop. And the next one is the report section. Here you will see the free reports. Add the business reports. You may just customize your reports and add the business reports. You can create here. I have not any created yet one. So these kind of the reports, you can also report the business expense paid by the related parties, employees, contractor, and the third party. So, and then other kind of the business expenses paid from unconnected personal bank account, and these kind of reports can be generated here in this step. The next one is the standard reports. Like I shall select here, you will see the profit and loss account, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Here you will select profit and loss account, and you will see it's a profit and loss account. You will see here the net profit. This is a net sales. This is a drop down. I shall select this one, and it will extract all the data, collapse the all heads, and I shall also, this is a net sales and the cost of sales. This is a breakup of all sales, discounts, refund, cost of goods sold, product cost of goods sold, shipping, fulfillment, merchant fee, and the operating expenses, the first, and these kind of all expenses. This is good things. I just see here it's showing the percentages of their figures. Sale is the 100%, and this one is the 103%, and 26% cost of goods sold. So by category it's showing the percentages. So this is very good for the reporting purposes. Then you may know about the percentages of their expenses and the net profit. So this one is your profit and loss accounts. For example, you may go for your advertising and the marketing and the general expense. I shall select this there, and it will also further showing their subcategories of the advertising and the marketing variable, fixed, research, depreciation. So these kind of, I think advertising and marketing contain these two heads, variable and the fixed marketing expense. And if you will select there, and only just it's collapsing their sub accounts. So yeah, like in the QuickBooks, if you will select click on these amounts, and it will show the ledger of your transaction, but here you cannot see them. Next report is the balance sheet report. Initially the balance sheet item has not been set up now, so it's not showing when you have initially set up your balance sheet. So after that it will show your balance sheet items. So the next one is the cash flow statement, and this is cash flow dashboard of, and there is a different, you can filter on the this week, month to date, last month, last quarter, and the year to date. I shall select here this week, and it will automatically change the dates, and it will show you the figures as per the weeks, this week, month to date. And also if you want to export it, and it will show it in the Excel format. Okay, the next is the inventory. Here this is the inventory section, and here is the overview of the inventory, and here these are the period, from, and to date, show by month, and there are the 5 tabs. This is the overview. It is showing the opening balances, purchases, cost of goods sold, and the closing balances. So you may just change the date filter here. I just select the last quarter, and it will update the all information as per the last quarter. It's showing the opening balances, then purchases, cost of goods sold, minus, and the closing balance. This is exclusive feature for the Finaloop. You may just use for it, because this is not available in a detailed way in the QuickBooks and Zero. So this is its speciality, and this showing as per according to the month. So you may also change the date filters here. So this is the first overview tab, and the next we shall go for the purchases, and it will show all details of our purchases we have done during the specific month. I have selected the last quarter, so it's showing the last quarter, and I shall select month to date, so it will show how much we have purchases for this month. This is date, vendor, amount, category, type, payment, and the status of the. So it's also showing the status. This inventory has been received, and received. In the plus function, you may also put the PO inventory items, and then you may just change their status, like the order has been placed, the half inventory has been received, and the half is pending. So in this way you may just track the status of the inventory here. So this, in the next step, is the cost of goods sold. Its cost of goods sold is calculated as per your selected method. Your cost of goods sold numbers might be inaccurate, as some of your product are missing cost per unit. So first of all, you need to put the all cost of your all SKUs. So the accurate cost of goods sold shall be calculated there. So I have it's showing the Shopify connected items and the product per SKUs, cost of goods sold, landed cost, and it's showing the amount for this period. Okay, I may just change the filter last quarter, and it's showing the only 2 products for the Shopify businesses and the Facebook and Shopify. So report per channel, you may also just extract the report as per your channels, because these are the 2 different channels which are showing here. The next one is the product, and these are the product SKUs which are you selling for your businesses and the different platforms. This is the name of your product, and this is the pictures, and this is the SKU number, and it's showing the source where it is connected. It is connected on the Amazon, and this is attributes, and it's showing the different 4 options. The first one is not merge. If the 2 items are merged, so it will show this has been merged. The next one is active. It's showing this is very active with Amazon, and selling and buying is going on. And the next one is the no receipt, and that indicates whether a product has a receipt or ever has been assembled. So it's showing whether you just receive the finished product or you manufacture. So this is the status of the inventory, and this is showing not a component. If the two or more component combine and assemble of one product, so it's also showing this is not your component, this is whole component and connected with the Amazon. And you may just see their average cost here, and these are the different product here, and their SKUs, and all the detail is given here. The next one is, you may also filter them here on the basis of active, inactive, merge, not merge, visible, not visible, unidentified SKUs. So this report can also be applied here. If I connect only the inactive and show the unidentified SKUs, so it will show only this one report. So I can apply there and it will filter according to our choice. The next one is the setting. This is very important for our setting. Inventory setting is very important for the calculation of the COGS. So it's showing the status is active, and the COGS tracking method. There are three methods. First one is purchase based, and the second one is sales based, and the third one is unit based. Unit based is only calculated if you purchase the inventory IQ. Inventory IQ is available in their plus version. So in the basic version you cannot use this one. So this is very important for the COGS calculation, and these are recommended as per your businesses and as per your business model. So this is you may choose as per your requirements. This report per SKU is showing the Shopify and the Amazon, and these are the different things. Here this is a 3 doors: split the period, edit, and the delete, and learn about more about inventory IQ. What is the inventory IQ? You may just want to know. You may select here and it will introduce about the inventory IQ, game changing features in advanced beta, and maybe create fit for you kind of inventory IQ. So inventory IQ modules include the PO creation, automated land and cost, real-time broken, cost of goods sold, warehouse, and managing receipt. So these are the feature of the inventory IQ. You may also see the pricing feature of the inventory IQ, how much they charge. So these are their pricing features, $395 and $495. Inventory IQ is available in the plus version. Okay, so this was the inventory modules here. And the second one is the vendor. In the vendor, you shall manage your all purchases and bills and the vendors, and we shall go to the bills. There are the two tabs here, sub tabs: bills and the vendor tracking. Bills you have created for your inventory, for your expenses, or for your payments, and the no expense bills has been created here. I shall create the new one. I shall select add one, and I'll select any pay here, the bill number like 123, and the bill date, any bill date you may select here. The due date you may select anyone, memo, ABC, anything you may write here, and add the category with what kind of the these bills are. I shall select the one. I will select the one as a amount, $1, and description is ABC, and category you may select anything else for your expense natures. Like I shall select the ATM fees and select the add. So it is it has been added here, and now you will save and it will be shown here. Okay, I shall save this one, and it will be shown in the bill section. Okay, the next version is vendor tracking. You may search your vendor from here. I shall write the Google, and it will show the vendor at Google advertising in the Google workspace. You may just choose the different dates for your reporting purposes, and also you may select the last month here, and select the category: accrual, affiliate marketing, the category of the expenses. It will show the different version about these vendor expenses. Next one is the customer, and you will see these. There are also two sub tabs here in the customers. These are the all orders, unpaid orders, linked orders, and the payment. These are the time span you may select for your reporting purposes, and the filters. You may also filter any different types of these things like payment gateways, channel, store, status, and in the status if voided and the excluded, and the fulfillment, fulfilled, unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, free stock. I may just select the unfulfilled and select the filter if there is any. Yeah, these are the unfulfilled it's showing, and if you go to fulfilled or partially fulfilled, it will show the partially fulfilled as well. So these are the different filters you may just select here for your reporting purposes. Okay. So It's showing the place date, source is Shopify, and the sales channel is online store, order number, next sale, net orders, and the status, and the payments gateway is Shopify, and the also it's showing the status we have selected from the filter. Okay, so it will show the all information here. So this was the all orders, and these are the unpaid orders you may filter which have not been this is unpaid, and these are the paid, and the other orders are linked in orders payment. Okay, this is information in our blended store orders. Next one is marketplace orders. It will show your connected marketplaces like Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, the different your apps. So it will show here. So these are the details of, you may just filter out their information. Okay, the next one is the invoices you have created for them. If these are connected with the marketing apps, it will automatically synchronize, but if you want to create the invoices manually, so you may create here, add an invoice. How you will create the invoice? You will select any customer here, okay, and select the customer email, their dates, invoice number like 123, purchase order number like a ABC, and the category you may select sales retail. You may also select the product from the drop down, and also write the amount here, discount, shipping amount, and or other item you will select here, and after this one you will save it, save and send or cancel. This is the create invoice function here. The next one is the loan, and there is a more option is owner, opening balance reconciliation, general ledger export, and the Shopify reconciliation report. So these are the extra function which Finaloop offers for your reporting purposes. So my missions, these are the some information which you need to import for the initially setup. So that's all for today for the introduction and the full tutorial of your Finaloop. If you need any help or you want to do the bookkeeping, you may contact me at my email address info@abidfinancials.com, or you may follow my YouTube channel Abid Financials, or you may contact me at my WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this video. See you in a next very beneficial video. Or if you want to learn about any topics, you may mention in the comments and I shall create the video for you. Thank you for watching this video.